Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today we are going to talk about a very important topic, and that is things to keep in mind while shooting videos for Instagram, especially the art videos. And this is not just about the Instagram, for any social media short video platform like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, you can follow all these same steps. Now, why this is really necessary right now? Because lots and lots of apps are stepping into this field, and this is really important for us to make our videos aesthetically pleasing. Because it takes quite a lot of time and hard work to shoot all these kind of videos, then edit it, and then posting it on any social media platform. And it's really disappointing to see if the video don't do well. It's not getting enough engagement, it's not getting enough number of likes and comments, and it can be really frustrating sometimes. So try to make all the changes that I'm going to be talking about today, and hopefully the quality of video will be improving quite much. Right, so let's get straight to it. I'm Abhay, you're watching Abhay Calligraphy. Let's get started. So the first and foremost thing that you need to keep in mind while shooting the video is the direction of the light source, from which direction the light is actually coming. As you can see in this video, I am shooting in natural light, and light is actually coming from the front. This is my new setup, and I have a window in the front which allows me to shoot in natural light. And I actually prefer to shoot most of my videos in natural lighting. But this is my new setup. In my old setup, there wasn't any possibility of natural light. So at that point of time, I used to use a table lamp. I used to keep it exactly in the front, and that's how I shot my videos. But what is the logic behind this? See, in this particular video, if I change the direction of my light source towards the right, you can notice that the shadow of my hand is kind of projecting on whatever artwork that I am creating, and that is something you don't want at all. So try to keep the light source exactly in front. Now let's come to the second point, and that is visibility of the stroke. Now this is extremely important. Whatever tool you are using to create your artwork, it can be a pen, pencil, brush, Apple Pencil, anything. You want to clearly show the strokes which you are making. Now, for example, if you see in this video, you can clearly see the movement of my brush pen, from where it is starting, where it is ending, what is the structure of letter. You can clearly see that. But what happens sometimes is that you place your recording device at certain angle, and then you start recording and creating your artwork. By the time you finish your artwork, which by the way you have done an amazing job, it is absolutely phenomenal, but when you look at the video, some of the strokes were blocked. Now there can be different reasons for that. Maybe your hand got in the way, maybe there was something else that were blocking the strokes, or maybe you went a little out of frame. Right, so these kind of things affect the video quality, because ultimately people are more interested in watching the process, and this kind of video doesn't actually show the process, and as a result it ends up engaging with much lesser audience. So try to avoid posting this kind of video. Alright, so now let's discuss about the third point, and that is focus. Now this is a very simple thing, but this is exactly where most of us do a lot of mistakes. So what happened was, you placed the recording device in perfect position and you started recording the video, and this time you made absolutely amazing strokes and you thought this video is going to blow everyone's mind. But instead, when you looked at the video, it was shot entirely out of focus. That means it was completely blurred and all your efforts went in vain. Now how this actually happened? So as soon as your hand entered the frame, your recording device may have shifted its focus from artwork surface to your hand, and you shot the entire video out of focus. So please try to avoid this. How you can avoid this is check the frame once again. As soon as your hand entered the frame, check the frame again and tap on the artwork surface, paper, canvas, any other surface. So this way you can avoid this mistake. So now let's discuss the fourth point, and that is shakiness. Now I'm just going to keep it real here. No one likes shaky videos. So what happened was you bought really nice cell phone or camera or any other recording device and you started shooting videos and you followed all the previous 3 steps. But the surface on which you are creating the artwork wasn't that stable, or the mobile holder you were using wasn't that stable, and you ended up shooting the videos which was shaking throughout. So shakiness is entirely undesirable. Please try to avoid this kind of a thing from your videos. If you can remove the shaky part from the videos, see, if you are shooting a 10-minute video and only a 30-second part got a little bit shakiness and it's not that important, you can edit it or you can remove it, then do it. Otherwise, record that video again, please. And that brings us to our last point, and that is the angle. So you followed all previous 4 steps but ended up shooting the video at a very weird angle, which is not very visually pleasing to the eye. So this is again affect the quality of the video quite a lot. So try to shoot the video at such angle from where you can find the video visually pleasing and satisfying. You should feel satisfied by watching your videos again and again before others may find it that way. But even if you have recorded the video at a weird angle, you should be able to fix it. Try rotating the frame and see if at any particular angle the video is looking better. If it works, then it's well and good. If it doesn't, then simply record it again. So these are the 5 points one should keep in mind while shooting all these videos. And I hope you will find this video helpful. And if you think that there is any other point that we are supposed to keep in mind while shooting the videos, please share them in the comment section and hopefully it will help others. So this is it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming up with a lot of tutorials and tips and tricks video in the coming time. And in case if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, then do let me know. You can mention that in the comment section down below. Yeah, this is it. I'm Abhay. You were watching Abhay Calligraphy. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.